so welcome to another video of the legendary experiments. So today I am not going to show you any experiment, but today I have brought, means I have not bought, but I have ordered an amazing Amazon product. I have brought it on the big deal Amazon, which was going and it was continuing, and this offer ended at the November 13th. So I saw that there was served 70% off in all the products, means 70% off in all the products. So I thought to buy this amazing mic. So I don't know whether my voice is loud or not. Tell me in the comment section that how much my voice is loud. I don't know that, but you tell me, okay? But so I don't know, so I am testing this for the first time, whether this mic works or not, or how much loud it is. Okay, so from now on I will use this mic only, and from now on the voice quality will be more greater. Video quality it will be greater after some days, or after 5 to 6 months. It will take time for my expenses on buying a camera. Okay, so it cost only 150 rupees. I will give you in the link in the description that how much it is the cost and all the details. And it costed just 150 rupees. You can see this is a clip, and let me show it to you. This is the mic. Here is a clip, and okay, this is the mic, and this is a pin like thing, you can see. And this mic is very easy to carry. Just pin it anywhere in your shirt, and see, it's done. Your mic is done. And this is the cable. I have attached it to the phone. Okay, so I have bought it in very cheap price. More or less, you see that this cost 750 rupees. Okay, so this was totally amazing in low cost price also. Okay, so from now on in my channel I will talk with you using this mic, and no audio problem will be there. Okay, so till then, take care, bye.